What up, guys? Straight Up West Outdoors here, doing so I'm going on an 11-day archery elk hunting adventure, and just getting stuff packed. My bag, I got all my clothes in here, I got all these 8 gallons of water. I got all this stuff here. Apples. Got like, I don't know, I think I got like 30 or maybe, I think I got 35 cans of soup and macaroni and beef and just, chili and stuff like that. Apples. And then I got all my dry food in here. I got like oatmeal and all kinds of stuff in there. So, I mean, when you do a lot of hiking and stuff and hunting. So, sorry it's been so long, but I will start my adventure tomorrow, and you'll see me more on the highway when I'm all packed up and driving to my spot. So, just do a little intro here. And, yeah, so I'm just getting ready, and I'll take you guys on an 11-day adventure with me. So, hopefully I can bag an elk and pack it out and share it with the family. So that's what it's all about. Alright, till tomorrow. Straight Up West Outdoors out for now.